Good morning everyone and welcome back to my channel. In today's video what we're going to talk about is the best online businesses to start in 2019. So if you're interested in that, make sure that you stick around and let's cue the intro. So if you're new to this channel is about how to make money online and how to create a passive income for yourself. So if you're interested in that, make sure that you absolutely smash that subscribe button. Also hit that notification bell so that way you get notified every single time I put a video out, which is every single day. So with that being said, let's get right into the video and the best online businesses to start in 2019. Now, something that I do want to say is that the best one is going to be at the end. So if you want to know, in my opinion, the best business to start in 2019 and probably beyond, then you want to stick until the end. So let's get into the first one. The first one is Amazon FBA. Now you will need a little bit of money to start this one because you know, I've heard it's like $1,000 or, you know, at least $1,000 because you do have to buy the inventory. You have to, you know, there's some ads that you have to set up, you know, maybe some giveaways and stuff. And keep in mind, I have never done Amazon FBA, but I know of a lot of people that have done this and it absolutely works. Like, you just have to do this. It does cost a little bit of money, but it's pretty passive once you actually get it started because you don't have to deal with shipping because like Amazon will ship it for you. All you have to do is make sure that there's some, you know, some stuff that's actually available, because if you run out of inventory, then you're not making any sales. So you have to do that. You have to, you know, do some ads and stuff like that, but it's not as much work as some of the other like businesses out there. The second one is dropshipping. Now, I've done this before. I've made some money with dropshipping, and so I can tell you that it's absolutely work. And like, there's a ton of people that actually do this. So what you want to do is set up a store, which, you know, Shopify is probably the best one out there. That's what most people use, and it works really well. So if you want to like do that, go to Shopify, and if I think of it, I'll put a link in the description if you're interested in starting a Shopify store. So that's like something that, you know, you don't even touch the product. All you have to do is, you know, order it for the client basically. So you have everything on your website. People can click on it and, you know, order it. Like they order it from you. You order it from from where you get it, which is AliExpress most of the time. Ship it straight to the customer, and then you actually get paid for it because you upmark the product basically. So that's a very good one. You will have to have a little bit of money, a lot less than Amazon FBA, because, you know, you have to do like, all you have to do is pay Shopify, which is a small fee. I can't remember how much it was, but like you can get a 7-day free trial anyway. And then you will have to pay like some influencers to actually get it going and get people to know your store. So, you know, once you want to scale up with Facebook ads and stuff like that, you can do that. You will pay more, but you will make more money as well. But if you want to start with influencers, that's the best way to do it. So you can spend, like, I've made some money with like spending $30 on a product, on an influencer. So that absolutely works. So number 3 is a marketing agency. So social media marketing agency, also known as SMMA. And that's something that's very popular that a lot of people talk about. And the reason this is because you need no upfront cost. There's nothing that you need to do. What you need to do is go to brick and mortar businesses like, you know, maybe it's a dentist or, you know, a doctor or some people like that, you know, make some money that are already making some money, and you want to manage their social media. So maybe it's their Instagram account, their Facebook, or all that stuff. And the reason why you want to do this is most of the people that own this are older people that might not know about social media very much. So if you can add some value to them and actually manage it, then you can make quite a little bit of money, because you can pay, like they can pay you on a monthly retainer. You can get them on that just to manage their social media. So you can go from, you know, $500 maybe a month, but you know, some people get paid like way more, like $500,000 per month. But you know, if you're making that kind of money, you have to bring them like a lot of value, like get them some customers in the door. And so if they have like high ticket, then that's a great way to do it, and you can make quite a bit of money. Now, this is not something that's passive income, because you will have to manage all this social media, which isn't that easy. Or, well, it is easy, but it's not like something that's, you know, passive where you don't have to do anything. So you do have to do that, but you can absolutely make some money with that. Now let's get into the last one, which is my favorite one, and that is affiliate marketing. So affiliate marketing is something that I talk a lot about on this channel, because in my opinion, this is the best way. Because you don't have to deal with customer support. You don't have to deal with like sending anybody some like anything. You don't have to like deal with refund. You don't have to have your own product. You don't need any of that. All you have to do is send people to something that you use. So, you know, for example, I use Builderall on a daily basis. So I promote Builderall. I send people to Builderall because I believe this is something that you absolutely need if you're doing like online businesses, which like, if you're doing any of these that I just talked about, you need an email list. So that's why I use Builderall. So you have that and you can make some money. And you know, just sending people over there. So all you have to do is create as much value as possible to anyone that's like watching your videos, if you're doing videos, and have a link to your email list, and then promote some products to them. And that's something that's very good, because if you can promote something that's recurring or high ticket, then you're going to be able to scale it like really fast. So for instance, if you promote a product that's recurring and that you get paid, maybe like the first month you get paid $1,000, and you don't make any more sales the second month, you just make as much sales as you did in the first month, then you get paid like twice as much, and then you just like, it keeps on growing every single month as long as you're making sales. And that can scale, like at the end of the year you probably could have a huge business going on if you do this properly. So this like is my favorite one. Plus, if you do it on YouTube and you reach like 1,000 like subscribers, then you can start getting paid with YouTube as well, which is another source of income. So now you don't only have one source of income, but you have two. So this is why it's my favorite one. Like, it does take some work. It's not like, none of them are easy, but if you want to make money online, there is no way to make easy money. So with that being said, this was my video for today. I really hope that you enjoyed it. If you did, make sure that you absolutely smash that subscribe button. Also hit that notification bell, so that way you get notified every single time I put a video out, which is every single day. So with that being said, I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.